welcome to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Kristen. Today I'm going to be doing some Dollar Tree DIYs. They're gonna be really easy. Some are just things that I bought at Dollar Tree, not really knowing what to do with, but I'm like, this is cute and I buy it, and now I can't do that. So I'm using everything up I have. My craft room is getting pretty low, which sounds funny because if you guys watch like my organizing, cleaning, whatever video you guys have watched of my craft room, you guys know it's 99% a disaster. But actually you can see like floor space and there's nothing to put there where I'm replacing things. I'm trying to work on some outdoor DIYs. It is getting colder again where I live in Michigan. So now it's like 40, windy, awful. So those might be pushed back on hold for just a while longer. I want to finish and show you guys some stuff that I've already put together, and I was just like kind of sitting on it, I guess, for a minute. But yes, so anyways, I am gonna be making a 2-tier tray. Only costs $1. I am using Dollar Tree items for the tray that only cost $1. Super easy. Yeah, let's just jump into this. Alright, the first thing I'm going to show you is how I made the 2-tier tray. I'm using this planner, and I picked this up from a garage sale over the summer. It was only $1, and I don't have plants, and I knew I did not want this to be the way it was, but I always think when I can find wood at a really good price, and like I said, this is $1, and this is the only thing I'm going to be using to make a 2-tier tray. And it just kind of untwisted with some screws, and then we end up cutting that apart to put for the top of the tray, and then for like the middle to hold the small circle piece of wood and the larger piece of wood together to make a tray. This was really simple to take apart, and it was also really simple to put back together. And also I had my husband, he helped me cut the little, I don't know, what do we want to call them, stems or dowels for the middle, and I ended up redoing this a lot because it was like too long. I didn't really know exactly how long I wanted it to be. I just kind of sanded this down, probably didn't need to, but I wasn't sure if I wanted to stain it or if I wanted to make it look galvanized. I ended up wanting it to make it a galvanized tray. I already have one, a 3-tier tray from Hobby Lobby that I really like. I'm just using these makeup sponges, and I'm just going in with black first. I have a black acrylic paint, a silver acrylic paint, and a gray. You can kind of use any kind of gray. I would always definitely use a black. You can use like a couple different kinds of gray. This was actually my first time actually galvanizing something, and I wish I would have had like a different sponge because it was making these like square marks all along the way because I was using the back side. But once I put everything together, I did do the front side, the back side, the sides, every little part of this wood I did. And I'm going in with the silver now, and then I'm just going to top it with gray. I almost thought about using like a brown or a copper color too, just to give it like a rustier galvanized look. I didn't, but you could definitely do that. Here's when you can kind of see it coming together, and as I went along the last color, I did the gray, you can kind of see that I'm trying to like cover up the square marks, and it did help a lot. I just kind of kept blending it together. I didn't wait for any colors to dry. I just went with it. So you're going to see that I have a brown spot here because I did, like I said, redo this. And I'm just using hot glue, and it is held together really well. I have the Gorilla Glue Sticks, and they are absolutely amazing. I swear they hold everything together, or at least what I've tried to put together, they hold up really, really well. And like I said, all I'm using is some hot glue. Using this chicken, I wanted to make some tray decor, and I don't know why this wasn't even in the camera at all, but I'm just using Waverly chalk paint in white. I used 2 coats to paint this little chicken, and I just wanted it completely white. This little lantern is also from Dollar Tree. I've had this for so long, and I'm just kind of dry brushing it with the Waverly chalk paint in white as well, just to give it a lighter coat. It's still, you can still see like the gray through it and a little galvanized. I just wanted it a little bit more white since the tray was all galvanized. This is a cute little jar from Dollar Tree for a while, and I'm just using the Waverly chalk paint in Moss, and I am going to paint this. I love the color Moss. I feel like I should use this more than what I do because I really, really do like this color, and I would actually like it in more decor. Hopefully I can use it for like summer. I don't know, kind of spring decor is kind of out of the way, but I don't really decorate a whole lot for summer. I kind of just use like farmhouse decor. So if you guys want to see like more of this color or more than just white, let me know in the comments. I have this little sign also from Dollar Tree, and I'm just taking the little home sign off, and I'm just going to be using twine and wrapping it around this little jar, sanding it down a little bit just to distress it a tiny bit, and like I said, I'm just using some twine to tie the home sign around this. Next, I had this chicken from Dollar General. It was $1.50, but I'm almost pretty sure I got it when it was 50% off, so I think I only paid 75 cents for this. I feel like this definitely goes along with the $1 decor in this video, even though it was either $1.50 or 75 cents. I don't think I would have paid $1.50, but who knows. Using the Waverly chalk paint in white and painting the chicken, and then going back along the bottom and using just the black acrylic paint from Apple Barrel and just painting the bottom. And then this did look kind of plain, and while I was like not really knowing what to do with it, I did just end up taking some twine and making a little bow for this chicken. I'm not sure I'm in love with using a bow. I kind of wish I would have left it plain, but I don't know. Let me know your thoughts or what I could do to spice in this little thing up just a little bit. And yeah, that's all I did to this one. So I dug through my closet for this. I wanted to decorate this, and I wanted to show you guys how I go about decorating. I always like to leave everything out along the table or around the tray that I think that will fit or look good. I'm just adding everything that I made in this video, along with some cute little items from Dollar Tree and Dollar General. The Rise and Shine sign with the rooster, that is from Dollar General this year. I just picked it up a month or so ago. And these little houses, these were from Dollar Tree a little while ago. And those little jars right there, those are from Target Dollar Spot. They were only $1, and I picked them up, I can't remember, I want to say, I don't remember when. Whenever the Frozen 2 movie came out is when I bought them, because I bought the Frozen 2 movie in those little jars. And then I'm just using some boxwood and just some greenery I had laying around. It was already cut up, so I thought, why not use this? And the little candle stand is from Amazon, and the little Home Sweet Home candle is from Target Dollar Spot, I think around Valentine's Day. And then the little Farm Fresh milk sign is also from Dollar General this year. And I think those are so cute because even if I decide to move it around, it'll still definitely match my decor. Any of the stuff will match my decor, so I love that I can just mix it up whenever I want. And then here it is when it is all done. I am absolutely loving this cute little tray. I love having something else I can decorate. This is in my dining room right now, but I'm also thinking I could also use it in my kitchen for like a coffee bar type thing. I don't drink coffee, but the idea of having a coffee bar is always so cute, or maybe like some kind of like tea bar since it's gonna be like summertime, and I do like to drink tea sometimes. Not all the time, but once in a while I do. But yeah, you guys, that's it. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, I would love if you would stick around and subscribe. And let me know what you guys want to see in some upcoming videos. I am only using my stash and what I have at home, so I can't promise, but I will tell you right now that my outdoor decor is coming so soon. It's just taking a little bit longer because the weather in Michigan likes to change and be weird, and it wants to be hot one day and then it wants to be 30 or 40 the next day in rain, and it's just a mess around here. Anyways, I'll see you next video. Bye!